Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add leads or contacts using Zenler to a marketing funnel or a course or a live webinar. So if you have an existing lead already, what you need to do is go to Site, go to People right here, click on Lead, and then you'll see all the different leads. Now, let's just pretend for a second that I want to add this lead to a funnel or a course. I'm going to click on Actions. If I want to add them to a funnel, I will simply click on Funnel and choose the funnel I want to add them to. When I subscribe, it will automatically trigger the emails from what I know. You definitely want to test it with your own fake account because you want to always test things, but that's how it should work. You can also add them to a live masterclass interactive webinar as well if you have one going, and that's how you would do that. In case you want to add them to a course, what you need to do is you need to change the status from a lead to also a student. Once you do that and you actually update it, you will see there will be other options at the top that you can actually add them to. Now, this one I need to just fix the email. This is a little oddity that Zenler has where it actually changes the email to the actual email of your account, which is a little bit weird. Let me just fix this. +4, I think it was. Yeah. And then you will see at the top, now I've got the courses, purchases, communities, discussions, and now I can enroll them to a specific course, basically. Okay. So that's how you would do that and add people. So if you see a student, you will also see all the other options. If it's only a lead, again, this email is a little bit annoying. This is a bug that Zenler has. So you need to, when you're changing it, you just got to look at the email and save it before you do any changes, basically. So when you do that, click on Cancel, click on the actual lead. So let's see this Ibukachi 23 +4. So what you want to do is, yeah, save the email before you actually get in there in the first place. Okay, it's a little bit annoying, I know. But like here, so click on that, save it, click on edit, and then you can add student basically, or an affiliate or whatever it is, okay? And then you'll see all the other options. So I hope that helps. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, leave a comment with any other questions you have on Zenler, and I'll be sure to create a tutorial on it. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.